Are you struggling to find new customers for your business through Facebook ads? Let me introduce you to a game changer. Lookalike audiences. It's like having a digital twin of your best customers to target in your ads. Here's how it works. First, create a custom audience based on your existing customer data. Next, let Facebook work its magic to find people who are similar to that group. This is your lookalike audience. Finally, use highly relevant ads to target these potential customers, like offering a discount on their first purchase. Ready to level up your Facebook advertising strategy with lookalike audiences? Get started now and watch your sales grow. Visit our link in the description and go to www.bradyburnsproductions.com to get started. And you can book a free info session there to see what we can do for you and help your e-commerce business thrive. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Join us next time, leave a follow, and be sure to stay tuned for all the videos coming up. We have tons more tips to share with you guys, and I'm looking forward to partnering with you guys in the future. Thank you, and see you in the next one.